Good morning student, this is Shyam Sundar Sharma. Today I am going to explain you about drafting posters. First of all, I would like to introduce you about posters. Introduction. A poster is usually a large colored paper sheet printed with the powerful visuals and communication. Students also design posters using paper sheets, color, visual, and verbal inputs. Format. A poster has no fixed format, yet, from the examination point of view, it must be contain the following subject matter. First, topical and thematic lines. Second, powerful visuals, if any. Purpose for and oblique for or occasion of poster, date, venue, and time in case of any event. Effective wording for any appeal, awareness, caution, warning, invitation, etc. Catchy slogans. And captions, names of the individual organization issuing poster, box the poster format. Topical lines, visual input if any, verbal input issued by. How to design a poster? First of all, write the topical lines clearly, visual from a distance. Then give the visual if any, otherwise give the verbal input. Third, then give the verbal input. It includes all piece of information you want to highlight. Fourth, in the end, give the name, address of the issuing authority. Points to be careful about. First, design poster on full page of your answer book. Second, use clear size and attractive style of letters. Third, follow the word limit. Fourth, in topical line, write catchy slogans. Fifth, draw a relevant, powerful visual. Sixth, color the poster properly. Seventh, highlight the verbal information. 8. Write attractive closing lines. 9. Write the name and address of the issuing authority. 10. Box the poster. Now I am giving you a sample posters on social, current and national issues. Example number 1. Draw up a poster on the dangers of global warming to the future of our planet. First of all, we should write the title just like given dangers of global warming. This title should be written in capital letter. Then we should show picture regarding the poster. Melting glaciers, flooded rivers, rising sea, ocean water level, dry land, drying trees, Think about the future of our planet. Contribute to stop global warming. In the end of the poster, we should write issued by Awareness Against Global Warming, Jaipur. Thank you very much.